Hi everyone, I want to tell you about an exciting event that you can be a part of. Gannett is partnering with General Mills and Albertsons stores in the Phoenix area to bring you the Outnumber Hunger concert, and it's going to be great. With some of the hottest country artists around like Reba McEntire and more, it is a night of fantastic music coming to you April 17th, and it's more than a concert. It's a campaign to help fight hunger right here in your community, and we need your help. But don't worry, it couldn't be easier. Right now, participating General Mills products will come with a code on the box. Go online, enter the code, and you've just helped Feeding America secure 5 meals for hungry families in our area. Cheerios, Chex, fruit roll-ups, just to name a few. All you have to do is pick up any of those great General Mills foods at any Albertsons store right here in the Phoenix area. Then, April 17th, we want to say thank you by bringing you the Outnumber Hunger concert. It is going to be a fantastic show.